load curve. So as I told you earlier, load curve is the analysis of the graphical representation of the variation of the load over a period of time. As I discussed in the earlier classes, it is a plot of how my load varies over a period of time, and it can follow any patterns. There is no specific pattern, but we can see that which is coming at the bottom portion, that will be following the base load, and this will be the peak load. So this is where we stopped yesterday. Now here what we need to understand is that in the base load and peak load, which of our plants are operated for the base load and which of our plants are operated for the purpose of peak load. We can see that in generally for base load purpose, I have my non-renewable or the conventional sources of energy are used as my base load. That is thermal, hydel, nuclear. These all are the three different types of plants which can be utilized as for meeting the base load demands. Whereas in peak load can be given by the renewable sources of energy. Renewable source. So here we have exceptions in this case. That is, base load can be supplied by the thermal plant, hydel plant, nuclear plant, but also this can be also supplied by one kind of renewable energy, that is the geothermal plant. Geothermal plant is an exception, that is, it can be used for providing the base load. Now here also it is only the all renewable sources of energy, wind, solar, and there is one more called gas plant. Gas plant is an exception here. So this is what you need to remember. For base load can be supplied by thermal, hydel, nuclear, and all other kinds of non-renewable or conventional sources of energy, and there is an exception in it, which is a geothermal plant. Whereas peak load can be supplied by the renewable sources of energy like solar, wind, and there is exception, which is the gas plant. Now we will see a set of questions which makes our understanding a bit clear. So if it's given hydel plant, I have my hydel plant, and the option is that for which load it is used: base load, peak load, backup, or either base or peak. In this case, we'll say that my hydel plant can be used as both either base or peak, because it can be also used for the peak plant also. Usually it is used for base load, but in our option, if you are having it can be used either as base or peak, then you will go for the option that it can be used as either base or peak. Otherwise, the second question, if they simply ask hydel power plant whether it is used as base, peak, backup, or none, then your option should be hydel plant is used to meet the base load. It is used as a base. Right. The pumped storage hydel plant can be used for supplying the peak load. Pumped storage will be used for supplying only the peak. Now diesel plant, if the option is base, peak, either base or peak, none. So diesel is not used as base at all. Diesel is always used as a backup or for the peak. So here my option should be peak load. So diesel power plant should be used as a peak load. Now gas plant. Gas plant, the option may be base, peak, either base or peak, none. In this case, my option will be peak load, because I told this is an exception case in which my gas plant I am using it as for meeting my peak load. That's exception. Now diesel plant, if you have the option like this, base, peak, either base or peak or backup, then which one you will go for? Then you should not go for the peak, because diesel plant is always used as a subsidy, as a standby generator, or it is used as a backup, right? So at that time you have to go for backup. Diesel power plant is used for as a backup. Now gas plant, if it comes base, peak, either base or peak or backup, then which one you have to go for? You have to go for peak load, because usually gas plant is only known for peak load. But in the option, if there is no peak load, that is for gas plant there is base, either base or peak or backup, or none of these, then the option will be backup. If there is peak in the option, you have to go for peak. If there is no peak in the option, then only you have to go for backup, for in case of gas plant. So this is the things which you have to remember in your mind. Gas plant can be used as peak, this hydel can be used as base or peak, but more preferably as base load. And geothermal plant is the only plant which can be utilized as a base load, even though it is a renewable source of energy. Fine? Good. Is the connection clear for you?